All right, we're in Cleveland. I do not know what that's for. I think that's to get yourself out in case of an emergency, because, yeah, no, nothing else is getting those doors open. Okay, so the paint's just completely fucked in this thing. Let's see if it runs, why don't we? Yeah, this will be fun. Anyway, and in case you didn't realize, it's a Westinghouse. All right, that's interesting. I don't know what that is. Here is your panel. All right, we're gonna go to 2. Oh, it works. And you're done. Yeah, I think the floors above 1 are locked. All right. We will push the basement, close the doors. All right, one more time. Okay. See if any of those work. They're going somewhere. Just kidding. Look at the chain. Let's see that go. Sketchy. Why are we stopping here? That chain's fucked. What is this thing doing? What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, go back. This thing's tripping. Woo! Watch that. Jesus, it's literally scraping on itself. That chain has a little too much slack in it. Okay, anyway, this thing is interesting. That would be it.